How to create a Snapchat account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign up and get your account set up in just a few steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, tap Sign Up from the login screen to get started. After that, tap Continue on the next screen. At this point, enter your first and last name in the fields provided. Then tap Agree and Continue to accept the terms. From here, you'll be taken to the birthday screen. Drag the slider to set your correct date of birth and tap Continue. Following this, Snapchat will suggest an available username for you based on your name. After that, you can keep the suggested username, type in your own and check if it's available, or skip for now and change it later from your account settings. From here, once you're happy with your username, tap Continue. At this point, create a password for your account and tap Continue. Finally, on the last page, enter your email address to finish creating your account, or tap Use Phone Number instead if you'd rather verify with your number. Either way, tap Continue and your new Snapchat account will be created instantly. That's how you create a Snapchat account on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.